In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy on Groupon. To start, open your web browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar or main search box, type the word Groupon and wait for the search results to load. You should see several results appear, usually with Groupon near the top. The official site will usually show a short description mentioning deals or coupons, which helps confirm you are heading to the right place. Once you see the search results, click the correct Groupon link to open the website. When the Groupon homepage loads, look toward the top right area for the option to log in. Click Login and enter your email address and password, then submit the form. After a moment, the page will refresh and you will usually see your name or account icon in the top corner, which confirms you are signed in and ready to purchase. Now that you are logged in, look for the search bar near the top of the page. Use this search bar to find local services, restaurants, events, or travel getaways. Type what you are looking for, like massage, pizza, or hotel, then press enter or click the search icon. A list of matching deals will appear, often with pictures, prices, and discount percentages. Click on a deal that interests you to open its full page. On this deal page, scroll until you find the fine print section. Read this section carefully, paying close attention to expiration dates, booking restrictions, and purchase limits. Many beginners skip this and then discover they cannot use the voucher on weekends or certain dates, so take a few extra seconds to double-check the details before you move on. After you are happy with the deal and the fine print, look for the green Buy Now or Add to Cart button on the deal page. Click that green button once. The screen will either take you straight to checkout or show a small confirmation message that the item was added to your cart. This tells you the deal is now reserved in your account while you complete payment. On the checkout screen, you will see the deal listed with its price and total. If you have a discount code, look for the link that says promo code or gift code. Click that link to open a small box, type your code carefully, then click apply. If the code is valid, the total price will update and you may see a line showing the discount amount. If nothing changes, the code may be expired or not valid for this deal. With your total confirmed, select your payment method from the available options such as credit or debit card, PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. Choose the one you prefer, fill in any required details, and then click Place Order. After a brief moment, you will see an order confirmation screen and the voucher will appear in your Groupon account under your purchases. You have just learned how to search, review, and complete a purchase on Groupon from start to finish. So if this helped you grab a great deal, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple walkthroughs like this.